Keith Perhac here, founder of SegMetrics. What are the core elements of a successful Black Friday campaign? When you distill it down, you need four things. One, pressure-tested, scalable infrastructure. And I mention this first because most people overlook it. It's kind of boring. Until they have a hit on promotion and disaster strikes. Is your customer support team ready for a surge? Your distribution, your servers? You need to be ready for a flood of orders if you're going to get a flood of orders. Number two, a great offer. This isn't the time to introduce a new product. Doubling down on what's already working, do you know what products, bundles, and upsells are your best sellers? Three, buttoned up advertising and marketing. It's too late to optimize your advertising during Black Friday. You need to already know and have already optimized the channels, campaigns, and ads that are going to be core to your Black Friday promotion. Because ad costs and volumes go way up on Black Friday. And usually ad budgets, you need to be 100% sure your ads are working. Which brings us to essential Black Friday element number 4, bulletproof data. There's a lot of data to track and analyze as part of a successful Black Friday campaign. Traffic, lead gen, sales, revenue, ad performance, sales velocity, refunds, return on ad spend, all of that stuff. And you want to track these daily, as well as comparing baselines before Black Friday, during Black Friday, and after Black Friday, and year-over-year performance across all of these factors. This data is normally spread across many different ad platforms, payment processors, CRMs, and other systems. Without a trustworthy single source of truth for your data, the reality is that you're basically flying blind during Black Friday. Do you get the clarity, reliability, and impact you need from your marketing analytics tool? If not, you should check out SegMetrics. This is what we do.